Ever wondered what your favorite photo would look like in a Studio Ghibli film? Stick around, because in the next 60 seconds, we're turning everyday images into magical anime art using AI. Whether it's your idol, your icon, or a national monument, this two-step method works like magic. No Photoshop, no art skills, just pure AI power. All you need is a photo, like Sam Altman casually leaning on a wall, Taylor Swift striking a pose on the red carpet, Kohli and Rohit Sharma celebrating a win, or even the Statue of Liberty towering under the sky. And ChatGPT 4.0. That's it. Quick heads up, you do need a paid plan to access the image generation feature. And make sure you're using ChatGPT 4.0, not an older model. Let's jump in. Step 1. Upload your image right into ChatGPT. Step 2. Type this exact prompt. Turn this into a Studio Ghibli-style image. That's it. Wait 1 to 2 minutes, and the transformation begins. Here's the side-by-side. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman, now anime ready. Next up, something which will make Swifties happy into word of music Taylor Swift. Looks like she walked out of a Ghibli classic. Now, let's move focus to some Cricket India winning champions trophy movement. Kohli and Rohit turned into Ghibli heroes mid-celebration. Finally, to one of wonders of world. Statue of Liberty, reimagined in a dreamy cinematic style. Amazing, right? This works for pets, places, portraits, you name it. Want to impress your friends or level up your social media game? This is the fastest way to animeify your world. Try it yourself and drop your results in the comments. We might feature your creation in the next video. Enjoyed the tutorial? Like the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more bite-sized AI magic every week. Until next time, stay creative, stay curious.